So today we're going to take a look at if statements in Excel. If statements can be very useful because you can check math or check cells against other cells and produce like text-based answers, whether they're true or false. So let's have a look how one is basically made. So here, if we click into this, you will see that we get this equals if. Actually, we'll just write it from the beginning, so we can go through this and explain it. Basically, you want to first off start with your if statement like this, equal if, and then we have to put what we're checking with inside brackets. So we'll open the brackets. Now we're doing what we call our logical test. So what do we want to test against? Basically, I want to test if this here, this mango's 51. Basically, I don't want to misorder something in my case study. I don't want to accidentally order like 100 when I meant to order 10. So what we're doing here is we're going to do this, and if the value of B6 is greater than 50, what we're going to put is, you have to put a comma to separate. Now this is the if true value. You have to put some quotations around the outside. We're just going to put check again, just to make sure. Then we have to put a comma to divide each segment up. So as you can see here, now we're doing the if false. Basically, I don't want to put anything if it's false because I don't want to like just go about your day. So we're just going to put 2 pair quotation marks in, and here it'll just return nothing because obviously there's nothing in there. So we click that, check again. If I change this to 5, let's say, there you go, nothing. If we put it to like 500, there we go. And I think we can also spread this up like here, as you can see. There we go. So that's how we could do it again, so we don't like misorder anything. And down here in this if statement, as you can see, we have our if statement, but we're comparing 2 cells. So we have our total versus our budget. And we have if our total is greater than our budget. So our total's here in the green. Our budget F10 is here in the red. You're either in the red or you're within your budget. So if we put one of these bills up over here, that's 300, you can see there that you go into the red because this is actually in the minus. But it's not related to that, it's related to these 2 here and comparing. That's what we're doing in this if statement here. So that's basics of if statements and how they work. Now you can do some simple but useful stuff in Excel with them. Hope you found that information helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more tutorials.